hope you enjoyed this outfit of the month video. This is just what I wore during the month of April and May. So yeah, let's just get straight into the video.
The mustard coloured dress is from TK Maxx and the boots are from F&F. This is just a very nice transitional spring outfit. I think it's a very good outfit to wear on a chillier spring or even chillier summer day. So yeah, I just think this is a very nice outfit to wear on those chillier spring/summer days. The dress and shoes are both from New Look. This outfit is perfect for those chillier spring/summer days. The blouse is from New Look, the skirt is from Miss Selfridge and the boots are from Clarks /TK Maxx. This is just another very simple and cute outfit. A black skirt and a colourful top add a nice pop of colour for spring. The slip-on shoes are from Zara and the dress is thrifted. I think this is just a really cute and like nice simple outfit. You want to stay nice and cool but you still want to look a bit dressed up. I absolutely love these shoes from Zara, they go with so much. So yeah, I just think this is just a really cute and simple outfit, yeah, because it's a nice thin flowy dress. You'll stay nice and cool on those hot summer days. The tie-dye maxi dress is on TK Maxx. The shoes are the same Zara shoes as before. I absolutely love this outfit. I think maxi dresses, they keep you nice and cool, but it makes you look like you made a lot more effort than you actually had. So I think dresses are just really easy to style. You don't have to like match it up to anything like you would say jeans and a top or jeans and a skirt. So yeah, this will keep you nice and cool on those hot summer days.
For watching the video, and I will see you in my next one. Please subscribe, rate and comment, and yeah, I hope you have enjoyed the video, and yeah, like I say, subscribe and I'll see you in my next video.